Hi students, this is the second part of statics exercise 14.1. Please make sure that you are watching the first video before watching this because it is a continuation of that previous part, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the continuous videos. Ready? Let's start the question. Question number 4. I'll read the question once. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method. Columns table is given here. Number of heartbeats per minute: 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86, and of course next column is given number of women, that is 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Ready? So please make sure that you are writing the question from the textbook and write and keep in your copy. Ready? I am writing only the answer here. Okay, let's start the work. So in this question you can use any method, but of course let us use assumed mean method because we are not using that one till now. So let us use assumed mean because you should study even that method. Ready? So assumed mean means we will be using DI. Let's see now. First one, what is given here in the question? Number of heartbeat per minute. That is, of course, we call it as class. It's already given. We wrote here. Ready? After that, number of women is given in the question. That will be taken as frequency. That means Fi is given. Now what you will do? From the class we will take class mark. Ready? Class mark means what you will do? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means what you will do? 68 plus 65 divided by 2. 68 plus 65. We will add it. What you will get? 133. So 133 by 2. Let's divide this. 133 divided by 2. If you can divide it. Otherwise, you can cut it. 2 6 are 12. Balance 1. 3 bringing down. That means 6 2s are 12. Balance is 1. Putting 1 point here. 0. Then 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 66.5. 66.5. Ready? Let's take the next class mark. That means 71 plus 68 divided by 2 equals what you will get? 139. So 139 by 2. Addition, careful, don't get mistake. Ready? So when you divide it, what you will get? And just I am cancelling here. Otherwise you have to do this way. Divide it. So I am going to cancel here. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Balance is 1. 1 means 19. 19 means 2 9s are 18. Balance is 1. 1 means we will put 1 point and 10. 0 means 10. That means what you will get? Point 1 is there. That means 10 will make. That means 5 2s are 10. That means your answer is 69.5. Okay, next step. 74 plus 71 by 2 equals 145 divided by 2. Okay, 145 divided by 2. When you cancel it, you are going to get 72.5. If you have doubt, please do in this way. Ready? Next step. 77 plus 74 divided by 2. That means what you will get? 151. So 151 by 2. How much you will get? 75.5. 75.5. Ready? Those can do it this step in the other side. That will be much better because in exam better to write only the answers here. This I am doing for you to understand. Ready? Don't forget these steps I am writing here, the entire steps to understand for you. Otherwise better to write only the answer here. Means this column you have to write only 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5 this way. Ready? Next step. 80 plus 77 divided by 2. That means what you will get? 157 by 2 equals what you'll get? 78.5. Ready? Next step, what you'll do? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means what you'll write? 83 plus 80 divided by 2 equals 163. 163 by 2, we have to divide it. So 81.5. 81.5. If you don't know how to do this, divide it in this way. Ready? Next step. 86 plus 83 divided by 2 equals this 2. Ready? That means what you will get? 169 divided by 2 equals 84.5. 84.5. That means what we got? Class mark we got. From here we will find out the value of A, assumed mean A. Assumed mean means we will take the middle of this. Which is the middle term? You can take 75.5. That means A is 75.5. That is A. Ready? Now we will go for DI because we are going to do by assumed mean method. Ready? That means we will find out DI. DI means what is the value of DI? DI equals Xi minus A. In this question, A is 75.5. So what will do the first step? Xi minus A. What is Xi here? 66.5 minus A. 75.5 equals. We have to minus it. Ready? So 75.5 minus 66.5. Because plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. After that, the bigger number sign will put. So 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 6, we can't do. We'll carry from next. Then here becomes 6 and this become 15. So 15 minus 6, 9, isn't it? And we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 9. Okay, next step what you'll do? Xi minus A. Xi, 69.5 minus A, 75.5 equals. When you subtract, what you will get? Minus 6. Anyway, I will show you. 75.5 minus 69.5. 0. 15 minus 9, 6. And we know that the bigger number is 75.5. So the answer is minus 6. Ready? Next step. Xi minus A. Xi is 72.5. That means 72.5 minus 75.5 equals. Ready? 75.5 minus 72.5. We'll minus it. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. That means we'll get 3. Of course, we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 3. Next step, what you'll do? Xi minus A. We know that A is always 75.5. That means what you'll do here? 75.5 minus 75.5 equals 0. Ready? Next step. 78.5 minus 75.5 equals. When you subtract, what you'll get? 3. I think you can do it. So please do it that. Okay. Next step. 81.5 minus 75.5. What you'll get? Find out. Yes. 6. Ready? Next step. 84.5 minus 75.5 equals 9. Do it alone. Ready? Next step. Fi di. Fi di means frequency. What is frequency here? Yes, 2. So 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9? Minus 18. Ready? Next step. Fi di. Fi means 4. 4 into di is, di here, we got it minus 6, isn't it? So minus 6 in bracket. Ready? Now 4 6 are 24. That means you will get minus 24. Ready? Next step. 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3 equals 3 3s are 9. We know that? Minus 9, isn't it? Next step. 8 into 0. 8 zeros are 0. Next one. 7 into 3. 7 into 3, 21. Next step, 4 into 6. 4 into 6, 24. Next, 2 into 9. 2 into 9 equals 18. Is it okay? Now, what you will do? All the negative numbers will add it together. Positive numbers will add it together. Ready? Because here is minus and this part is plus. So, we have to add it separate. So, when you add it 18 plus 24 plus 9, what you are going to get? 51. Do it alone. Of course, we have to write minus 51, isn't it? So, when you add it 21 plus 24 plus 18, what you are going to get? 63. Ready? This is plus. So, plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. That means 63 minus 51. What you will get? 12. I hope you can understand. That means this part, sigma fi di equals 12. The bigger number is plus, so the answer is plus. Ready? Now let's start the next step. And we know that we are going to use assumed mean method because we took here di. Isn't it? Let's write now. We know that by assumed mean method, mean equals mean x bar equals, what is the equation? A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Is it okay? This equals, what is the value of A? We got it before. What is that? 75.5. So 75.5 plus sigma fi di, yeah, 12, isn't it? So 12 divided by sigma fi. See here, yeah, we have to add it here, isn't it? So sigma fi means you need to add these frequencies, isn't it? So sigma fi equals, you please add it fast. Yes, what you got? 30. Ready? So here what you will write? Divided by 30. Now we will cancel by 3. 3 ones are, we are going to cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3 and this 0 will write here. Now by 3 will cancel. 3 4s are, isn't it? So we got it now 75.5 plus, yeah, 4 by 10. We know that if you want to divide any number by 10, what you will do? 1 point will now, if you want to divide any number by 10, what one decimal will? So next step, what you will do? We want to find out 4 by 10. So what you will do? Any number, suppose I am taking 785, divide by 10. Any number divide by 10, what you will do? First you will write the number 785. After that, 10 means 10. From right left, 1 point. That means you are getting 78.5. Same way, if I want to find out 785 divided by 100, what you will do? This equals 785. How many zeros are here? 2. From right left, 2 digits, point will put. Equals 75.5 plus, here what you are going to get? 0.4, isn't it? That means you will write 0.4. Ready? Now we will add it this. 75.5 plus 0.4. Ready? 5 plus 4, 9, and we will get 75. That means 75.9. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. I'll read the question once. In a retail market, fruit vendor were selling mangoes kept in a packing box. This box containing varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Of course, the table is given. Number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. And number of boxes is given. That's 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Ready? Now find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you use? Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Okay, I think we will use step deviation because that is the maximum simplest method. Ready? And careful this time. Here the class, it does not have a continuation. It's not continuous. Ready? See 52. After that, here is not getting 52. It's 53, isn't it? So, but still we can find out direct the class mark and we will do the answer. Okay. But if it goes for median, make sure that this type of question we have to make it into continuous class. We will study in next question. So wait for that. Ready? Let's start the work now. First, I told already, make sure that you are writing the question in your copy because we are not writing here. Ready? Let's start direct the solution. See, first one, number of mangoes that will be kept as class. And again, number of boxes is already given. That will be the frequency. Ready? So from the frequency, let's find out the total. Ready? So what will be the total? So please add it this one. Yeah, please do it fast. Yeah. Sigma Fi equals 400. Don't copy it, write alone. Ready? Okay. After that, class mark, what you will do? Yes, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means 52 plus 50 by 2 equals 102 by 2 equals 51. I hope you can understand. We have to divide it. Next step, 55 plus 53 divided by 2. What you will do? 108 by 2. Ready? 2 ones are, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Means what you got? 54. Ready? Next step. 58 plus 56 divided by 2 equals 114. 114 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. Balance is 1. 1 means 14. That means 2 7s are. So we got it 57. Ready? Now see the difference. 51 plus, how much will get 54? 51 plus 3, 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Isn't it? See, 51 plus 3, 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Now 57 plus 3, yeah, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. I hope you can understand. Ready? Now we will go for the assumed mean. That is A. A equals the middle term. What is the middle term? Yes, we can take 57. That will be assumed mean that we kept as 57. Ready? After that, UI. UI means what will do? Xi minus A by H. What is Xi here? Xi is 51 minus A 57 divided by H. Careful. H means this time you have to be careful. Class interval. Of course, while looking here, you feel like 50 to 52. It is 2, isn't it? But make sure that you have to careful this part. From class mark, you see the class interval. See, 54 minus 51. What will get? 3. Otherwise, 57 minus 54. 3. Ready? So, class interval H equals 3. Very careful. Here the class interval H equals 3. So, what will do here now? Xi minus A. Xi means 51 minus A. 57 divided by 3 equals 57 minus 51 minusing 6. But we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 6 by 3. And when you cancel 3 ones are 3 twos are, so the answer is minus 2. Next step, what you'll do? 54 minus 57 divided by 3. 57 minus 54. Ready? 7 minus 4, 3. That means you will get minus 3 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So the answer is minus 1. Ready? Next step. 57 minus 57 by 3 equals 0 by 3 equals 0. Ready? Next step. 60 minus 57 by 3 equals 3 by 3 equals 1. Next step. 63 minus 57 by 3 equals 6 by 3 equals 2. Ready? Next step. FIUI. FIUI means frequency. What is that? 15 into What is ui here? Minus 2. So 15 2s are 30. You have to write minus 30. Ready? Next step. Fi 110. So 110 into minus 1. What will get? Minus 110. Ready? Now 135 into 0. 135 into 0. What will get? 0. Next step. 115. That means 115 into 1 equals 115. Ready? Next step. 25 into 2. 25 into 2 equals 50. Now what you'll do? We have to add it all the negative numbers together, positive numbers together. Is it okay? Now add it this one. 110 plus 130. What you'll get? 140. But of course we know that this is minus 140. Ready? And here what you'll do? We will add it because plus plus. Ready? That means what you'll get here? 165. Ready? Now plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus. That means what you'll get? 165 minus 140. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. So we got it. Sigma Fi ui equals 25. And we know that the bigger number is positive plus, so the sign is plus. Ready? So we'll write now. We know that by step deviation method, mean x bar equals, what is the equation? Yeah, a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h equals, what is the value of a from the table? What is the value of a? 57. So 57 plus sigma Fi ui, see the table? Yeah, 25 divided by sigma Fi from the table, 400 into, what is the value of h? Class interval 3. Ready? Now what you'll do? We'll cancel by 5. 8 5s are 40. That means 8 and this 0. Now by 5 5s are 25. Now again by 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Now balance is 3. Because from 8 we took 5, so the balance is 3. 3 means 30. 30 means 6 5s are 30, isn't it? So we got it, 16. That means we'll write 57 plus 3 by 16. Is it okay? Now we will divide 3 divided by 16. We cannot do, so put 1 point and 0. 1 times 16. What will get? Yeah, minusing, isn't it? That means 14. Isn't it? Now what will do? 0. Now 8 times how much? 128. 128 means what you done? 16 into 8. You have to check it, okay? 128. Now what will do? Minusing. That means 2 1. That means 12. Isn't it? Now one more 0. That means 7 times 112. Ready? The balance is 8. Ready? Now you got it. 0.187. Ready? So we'll write this one. 57 plus 0.187, because before the point, if you want, you can put 0. So 0.187. But what you will do? We have to take only 2 digits. That means we will correct in 2 digits. We have 0.187. What you will do? See, 0.187. You have to correct in 2 digits. That means the last digit will check. If the last digit is 5 or more than 5, you can add it 1 here. See, you got it. The last digit is 7, isn't it? 7 is more than 5. 5 or more than 5, we will add it here 1 and removing the 7. That means what we will do? We will write 0.19. How we got it? If you get the last digit 5 or more than 5, we have to add it 1 to the nearby digit. Ready? Suppose I am getting here 0.182. Then what you will do? It is below 5. Then what you will do? You will write only 0.18 because the last digit is below 5. Here we are adding 1 because the last digit is 7. 7 is more than 5. That is what, in place of 8 we will write 1 In place of 8, we will write 9. Ready? That means what you write here? 0.19. Is it okay? Now we will add this 2. That means what you will do? 57.00, 0.19. Addition careful, don't get mistake. Ready? So 57.00, 0.19. Now adding 9, 1.75. I hope you can understand. That means we got it now. 57.19. Is it okay? See the next question. Question number 6. I'll read the question once. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Table is given. Daily expenditure in rupees 150 to 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. And again, number of household is given 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Isn't it? Now, find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So we can use step deviation because that is the easiest method. Ready? So make sure that you are writing the question in your copy and keeping, because I am not writing the question here. We are starting direct the solutions. Ready? Let's start the work now. First we will keep daily expenditure in rupees. That is, we call it as class. That's already given 100 to 150 this way. After that, number of household is given. That will be taken as frequency. Ready? First what you will do? Yes, we will go for class mark. Ready? Class mark means these two will add it and divide by 2. That means 150 plus 100 by 2 equals 250 divided by 2 equals. Ready? So when you cancel, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4, and 10 means 2 fives are. So we got it 125. Is it okay? So the first one is 125. Next what you will do? Same way we will add it. 200 plus 150 divided by 2 equals 350 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, balance is 1. 1 means 15. 2 sevens are 14, balance is 1. That means 10. 2 fives are 10. That means 175. So the second will be 175. See, 125 plus how much you will get? 175? 50, isn't it? That means 125 plus 50, we got it 175. Plus 50, what you will get? Yeah, 5, 2, 2. That means 225. So the next will be 225. Again the next one what you will do? Plus 50. What you will get? 275. Ready? So we will write here 275. Next what you will do? Plus 50. That means you will get 325. Ready? So we will get here 325. Okay, that means we got it xi. From here we will write the value of a. What will be the value of a? What will be the value of a? The middle term. What is that? 225. Ready? Now we will go for ui. Ready? Now we will go for ui. Ui means xi minus a by h. What is xi here? 125 minus a. What you got? A, 225 divided by, what is the class interval here? 50, isn't it? That means h equals 50. So we will write 50. Now 225 minus 125, we will get 100, isn't it? So this is equal 100 divided by 50. But we know that small, but we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus. So will 0, 0 will cancel, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So the answer is minus 2. So what you will write here means minus 2. Ready? So what you will write here? Minus 2. Ready? Next one, what you will do? 175 minus 225 divided by 50. When you subtract, you will get minus 50 by 50. 0, 0, 5, 5 will get minus 1. So you are going to get here minus 1. Next step, what you will do? 225 minus 225 divided by 50 equal 0 by 50 equals 0. So here we will get 0. Next step, what you will do? 275 minus 225 divided by 50 equals 50 by 50. We'll cancel, we'll get 1, isn't it? That means here we got 1. Last step, what you'll do? 325 minus 225 divided by 50. What you'll get? 100 by 50. You'll get 2. See? We can do it this way, isn't it? Ready? And now onwards, we will do it in very simple way. I'll show you that. Ready? See, I told we will use another method. Means what you'll do? Where is A? Here, isn't it? Straight A, you put 0. Okay, after that, upside, you will keep minus 1, minus 2. If terms are there, minus 3, minus 4. Downside, you will write 1, 2, 3. No need to write the step. Any step division questions, UI will be this way. Means what you will do? Straight A will keep 0. Upside will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside will be 1, 2, 3. Any question you take, UI will be same this way. What you will do? UI straight A will keep 0. Upside will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside will be 1, 2, 3. No need to do the step. Ready? Because you can save the time. Ready? Okay. Now, I think I have to add this. So, when you add it, what you will get here? Sigma Fi equals, add it. Yes, 25. I hope you can understand this step. UI, any question, direct A will keep 0. Upside will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside will be 1, 2, 3. No need to write the step. Because in exam, you can save the time. Ready? Secret. Okay. Let's start the balance. That is FI-UI. FI-UI means frequency. That is first 4 into minus 2. 4 2s are 8. That means here minus 8. Ready? Next one. 5 into minus 1 equals minus 5. Next 12 into 0. Any number into 0 is 0. Now 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Now what you will do? All the negative numbers will add it, positive numbers will add it. So 8 plus 5, 13. Of course we have to write minus 13. Now plus 4, 6. This is plus, isn't it? So now plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. That means 13 minus 6. What you will get? Yes, 7. Ready? That means sigma Fi-UI equals 7. But of course the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 7. Is it okay? Ready? Now, we know that by step deviation method, mean x bar equals a plus sigma Fi-UI by sigma Fi into h equals, what is the value of a? 225. So 225 plus sigma Fi-UI, we got it minus 7, isn't it? Because of minus, put in bracket, minus 7 divided by sigma Fi, 25. 25 into, what is the value of h? 50. Ready? Now what you do? 25 and 50 you can cancel. 25 2s are 50. 25 1, 25 2s are 50. Ready? Equals 225 plus into minus, minus 2 minus 7 2s are 14 equals, now what you will do? Minus. That means 225 minus 14. 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2. That means your answer is 211. Of course the answer is in rupees, isn't it? Okay. Sometime you may get doubt, like addition, subtraction, you may get mistake, isn't it? Think that is your money, then you won't get any mistake. Ready? Okay. So please make sure that you are continually watching the balance video. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ready?